Let's go. You can start yours first.
Huh?
Start yours first. You're gonna third, right? Alright, so this is done. I'm gonna move to the frying of the chicken. And while that is being done, I'm gonna put the dumplings in, and then I'm gonna put the sweet potatoes in. So we could have everything going at once. I'm also gonna start the rice. I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of rice because baby's just eating like different stuff now. So she's eating weird. Right here?
Yeah.
You know what? No, I don't want to use everything for what I'm doing. Oh, Jesus. What's the point?
The pole, I'm going to put inches in the trash. The pole is now 78 volts. Chicken. I like chicken.
Chicken is winning.
Chicken is winning. I wonder why. What's up with that, guys?
Everything is
Why do you guys like chicken over oxtail and fish? And what kind of chicken do you like? Some say they like what? Did they say how they like it?
No, I didn't put that.
What kind of chicken do you like with rice and peas?
Comment.
Comment the kind of chicken that you like. Comment the kind of chicken that you like with rice and peas. As for me, what do I like? I love curry chicken. It has to be like well seasoned. You know, when you season your meat and you let it soak, yeah, for a few days, yeah. I do like the home style, but I wouldn't want to have that every day. Fried, yeah. 83 volts. Come on, people, let me know what kind of chicken you like because you're all voting chicken. Awesome, awesome. If you've not yet liked this live, go ahead and like it. Feel free to smash that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I go live, my Lua live. Also, we play a lot of pool. We go to the pool as well. We do lifestyles. We're just getting into this thing again, so feel free to join us. Subscribe. Yeah. We're excellent recording. Awesome, awesome. Keep those. Hi. Hi, Zim. I don't know how to pronounce that last part of your name. I'm just going to say Zim.
You want to get the chair? You want to get the chair? Sorry?
Yeah.
Nothing.
That works.
I got you.
Oh, it's gonna be hot. Ooh.
I got it, babe.
Huh?
I got it.
The life is like the date of it.
Yeah, it's not a good one.
If you're just joining us, thanks for joining.
Yeah, 102 on now.
We are actually just doing late night cooking. It's been a long day. What did you guys do today? Oh, we have a poll here, so if you're just joining, go ahead and let us